Today in this video here I am going to showing that how to clean your speakers in your smartphone. And by using this method you can clean your speakers from the dust and water particles. And at first of all you need to open your default web browser, and in this video here I am using my Chrome browser from here. And after in the search bar you want to type like this, fix my speaker. And after that here you can see more of the websites are available here, and here you want to tap the second website from here, fix my speaker eject water. And now you can see this is the website we need to enter, and after that just scroll down, and after that here you can see two of the options are here, sound 1 and sound 2. And at first we need to just tap on the first option, sound 1 from here. And we have been successfully completed the sound 1 option from here, and after that we need to just tap on the second option, sound 2. And now you can see we have been successfully completed the two of the option from here, sound 1 and sound 2. And by using this option or this website you can fix your speakers from the dust and water particles. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.